Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your Indian bank account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar type in indianbank.net.in and click on enter. Now you will be directed to official homepage of Indian Bank. Now close this notification. After that, at the right hand side you will see a big button where it says login for net banking. Click on it. Now a new window will appear where you can type in a user ID. Also make sure to select whether it's your individual account or a corporate account. Now type in your user ID. After that, type the CAPTCHA taking a reference with this picture. If it is too hard for you to understand, click on this button and the CAPTCHA will be regenerated. You can also use a virtual keyboard by clicking on this button. Now click on proceed button. After that, you need to type in your password. Then you can click on login button to log into your Indian bank account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.